Well, here's the projector, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the exciter lamp is lit. It makes sound. I'll show you that in just a second. This is what it looks like. I just replaced a resistor in the amplifier and now it works like a champ. The only thing is the speaker is not included. The speaker is not included and the reels are not included. Those reels you see right there, you won't get those. You'll just get this projector as it sits. There will be no speaker that comes with it, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see what you can do.
Listen, there's a girl working in the cloakroom, Miss O'Neill. Yes, sir. Tell her that Miss Lucille Lacey wants to see her immediately in the ladies' lounge.
Lucille Lacey.
That's right. Now hurry. Go on.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me? Certainly. I've been trying to puzzle out something here. Half a piece of money ain't no good without the other half, is it? I'm afraid it isn't. It ain't even worth half as much? I don't think so. I was afraid of that.
You wanted to see me, Miss Lacey? Me? Well, that's what the busboy just told me. You must be mistaken. I didn't ask for you. Will you let me pass, please? We're playing a joke on someone.
Well, I hope it's funnier than the one someone's trying to play on me. Please, don't push me, I told you. Please, that's me. I gotta get the other half of this.
We're going to find out. Here. What's going on here?
That's what I'd like to know. It's nothing, Pierre. Just a little joke.
Oh, a joke?
Just where do you think you can get off playing jokes on me?
Now, wait a minute, Iris. It wasn't her fault. It was me. I sent you that message.
Get out of my way!
Listen, I had a very good reason for sending you that message.